Okay, a few people have been asking me to show them my EDC bag, get home bag, whatever you want to call it. And I'm not new to having gear in my truck in case I have to stay overnight or something like that, because I do a lot of hunting and out in a lot of big forest land, but I have a four-wheel drive, and so I don't get stuck too often, but I have been stuck and got stuck overnight. But this is just my EDC bag loaded with crap. I just had this together for about a month and a half or something like that. So on the outside of my bag, got my fire kit and my fishing kit. There's my fishing kit right there. My fire kit right there. Got everything I need to start a fire and catch fish to cook it. So if something does hit the fan, I'll take this off and put it on my belt. So go through this quick. It's got a bunch of crap. Flashlight. Fork and spoon set. In case I break into a 7-Eleven and something, need some beans. And this bag, I got a notepad and a lighter, weather radio, AM, FM, whistle, fire starter. These are, I pour my own soft plastic baits, and these are worm bags, waterproof, electrical tape, knife on the outside of the bag, another lighter, a little stretchy thing, and this bag, this little old sunglass case, a headlamp, pair of glasses, in case you have to see where I'm going in the dark. Got a Bushman, cold steel Bushman. Carry a walking stick in my truck at all times. Got a fire steel on the side of it. So if I need to put this on a stick and stab somebody, I'll be ready to go. Little water bottle, which I don't know why I got that on there. Water bottle. I got 100 feet of paracord inside. Cup on the bottom. This is the Wilderness Outfitters setup. Try to go fast so it won't make this too long. A few people have been asking me to see it on some different YouTube channels that I comment on. Inside I just got heat, alcohol. Got a little alcohol stove, cup of soup, and a little stand. This little bag here. Basic first aid kit. A bunch of crap in here. Light sticks, duct tape, drywall screws, little screwdriver, rubber bands. I bought these down the street for $5 a piece, these little bags. And this one, got some toilet paper, rubber banding, Advil, some more paracord. this one, extra batteries. Hope we can see this all right. Extra batteries. I'm still deciding to take stuff out or put more stuff in, so don't get on me too hard. 9mm rounds, which I have concealed carry. I always carry my Glock, Leatherman tool, a couple knives, a little pair of binoculars. And an umbrella. You believe I carry an umbrella? Whew, boy, the haters are going to be out on that one. Okay, let's see. And all that crap. And I got this, I guess it's like a computer back. Computer, I got 44 gallon, 3 or 4 44 gallon heavy duty garbage bags, some ties, electric ties, little nail pulling tool, use it to break in 7-Eleven and get me some donuts. I got some work rags, 100% cotton, bandana, some power or some emergency blankets. I also got a, I don't have it down here, but I got a life straw. So that's all my stuff right there that I got so far. Still working on it. And oh, I forgot one thing. I always carry my backup 9 in the bag. Diamondback 9mm. It's never failed me yet. Some little fire starters, some little quick tabs, whatever they call them, quick things. But other than that, that's about it, man, for right now. But, like I said, I also got food in the back of my truck. I got wool blankets, shovels, more fire starting stuff, clothes, in case I get stuck out. But if it hits the fan, man, I'm going to try to get home in my truck, put it in a 4-wheel drive, and just floor it. But what's nice about this, when I go hunting on big forest land, when my buddies drive and they don't have 4-wheel drive, I'll have this with me. So we can survive the night, hopefully. So that's it right now. Let me know what you think. Don't be too hard.